When laying a piece of paper, crushed stone makes a solid base. It also allows water to drain easily and is easy to work with. There are many types of paver available, and you should choose one with the right properties. The most durable is the quarry processed dense grade aggregate, which is a 3/4 inch crushed stone mixed with dust. This type is highly recommended because it provides maximum strength and cohesion to the paper base. Before installing paving stones, it is essential to properly level the ground. You can do this by laying each close to the other. In some cases, they may need to be trimmed to fit in an area. A hammer and chisel can easily cut odd fitting. However, larger stones may require power tools. Once this is done, you can install pavers in your yard. So, why not get started? Now that you understand what are the types of pavers you can use for your specific projects, you ask your paver specialist for a quote to learn more about the cost and labor for the job. You can also visit our page or send us an email for your inquiries. This will help you compare different quotes.